YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 4 ways to ramp up your boring work outfits. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell icon right below so that you can keep getting notifications about the videos I post. So without further ado,
first look, you can pair up this boring white shirt with a v-necked sweater like you can see here, and this gives you that edgy nerdy look at the same time making you look amazing. These formal trousers are from the men's section, and I have paired them with a very old cotton jacket. Not all formal wear have to be expensive. You can pair up that boring plain shirt sitting in your wardrobe with a palazzo, and this looks classy as ever. T-shirts are a staple in every girl's wardrobe, and you can ramp up that t-shirt by wearing a sleeveless cardigan, and you can always stand out.